Killua, come here. Oh, sit. Oh, sit. Sit. Killua, sit. Hey, sit. Just told me no. Killua, sit. Killua, sit. He's still not doing that good. Killua, sit. He's doing a little better, but he still needs a lot of work. Come here. Killua, sit. Killua, sit. Good boy, stay. Oh. What's good, y'all? Look, come here, nigga. Come here, nigga. Real nigga vlog. Oh, shit. Number 3. Get out. Come here. Good boy. Oh, this nigga took my string out. Come on. Come on. Come on. Alright. Stop. Kill. Sit. Good boy. Stay. Nah. Sit. Come on. Sit. Good boy. No, no. Like I was saying, man, vlog number 3. Y'all know Killua. This nigga is our crazy ass Akita that I got for free. This lady had him. Hold on. This lady had him, and so the first people that had him were abusing him. And then so a lady took him from them, and he was beating up their other dog. So she found me online. She saw me posting shit with the animals on Facebook, and she asked me if I could take him, and I was like, hell yeah. It's an American Akita. He's a cool dog. He just don't listen. He wasn't house trained when we got him, so he don't pee in the house no more. We're gonna take him on a longer walk, but we still gotta take him out first just in case. I don't want him to pee in the house. He's doing way better though. He hasn't had an accident in, come on boy. And I'd probably say a month and a half, 2 months now. So he's doing way, way better than what he was doing. Yeah, man. But yeah, he wasn't house trained and he didn't listen at all. So, and food aggressive. I'll show y'all that later. Even still to this day, we gotta feed him away from the other dogs or he will fuck them up. And he's cool with them. He's cool with the other dogs any other time, but when food and water is around, he's just a killer. Alright, I'm in the back room. Let me cut this shit off. I cut this all off. Yeah, I had to cut the heater off real quick. I love feeding Bubba. Oh shit, no! Wow. That little old Bubba is gonna someday be a dragon big enough to eat me. You're not gonna try to eat me, right? Nah. I definitely gotta work on training Bubba better with the call. Talk to the YouTubes. We just got out the shower. Now we're finna go to get some Portillo's and go to Walmart.
We're gonna go to Walmart first, right?
Oh, okay. Walmart?
I know you're hungry, right?
No.
So we're just gonna sit and eat.
It don't matter.
Parking lot.
What's good, YouTube? Got my baby in the background. Got my little cousin Tavari. This nigga said he wanna hold the big snake. Oh shit, that nigga gonna put puffin' that shit. We finna go ahead, let my boy hold the big snake. Anybody that wanna come over, they can always hold this motherfucker. So basically, you know how to hold this bitch? You do?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hey, she going out
Just get it.
Hey. So, what do you think we should name him? What would you name him if you? Yeah, if you had this big ass.
His name is Zeke. Hey.
You say your name was Zeke?
Yeah, her name is Zeke. It's a
Big ass snake, huh?
yeah, you trying to go back inside.
We be feeding them rabbits. Big ass rabbits.
We fed him a live rabbit. It was just so sad.
He killed that motherfucker. It was sad.
Take a picture of my phone.
Okay.
Show it to the fitness tech right there. I'm send it to the girl like, damn, look what I heard. Shout out my cousin house with motherfucking snake.
Yeah.
Well, you wanna go back inside?
Yeah, you know, I put him back. He put his head down his cage and he'll go back in. Yeah. Then put the rest of the body in there slowly. That boy, professional reticulated python handle in there.
He the first person to say hell yeah.
Hell yeah, you the first person ever to come in this bitch and say, yeah, I hold him.
Cause I would.
That's not a bad name, Zeke.
Zeke.
We got a Doberman Pinscher. Our neighbor got a Doberman Pinscher, a miniature one.
He's a
that
killer.
Nigga named Zeke. He like this fucking
He tries
big.
to bite my hand off.
He could literally, this snake could eat that little nigga though.
You just gonna force him?
I just put it on him here, move that bitch out the way.
Yeah.
Alright, YouTube. We are at Portillo's. We leaving out. My boy in the cut. We finna go to Walmart now. That shit was just busting. It's cold as fuck out here. It's slippery right here, man. Yeah. Walmart time. We gotta get some stuff for the animals. Let's go. Alright, y'all. Good morning. To me, at least. I got the tortoise in here. Doing good. They're soaking. Alright, the tortoise are done. This is the female redfoot tortoise. Pretty cool. I love them. Then I'm gonna put her down. She gonna start eating and I'll go show y'all the male. And this is the big male. So these guys actually produced 8 babies last year, and we got them for a really good deal. So hopefully we'll have babies, we'll incubate them and sell them most likely. So yeah, man, between them, we've got, let me not hold them like that. We've got these guys breeding. We've got the Florida yellow bellies. We've got the Tegu pair. That's 3 animal pairs that will potentially have babies. So I'm gonna put this nigga back and we gonna YouTube. Me and Anisha in the alley having a snow fight. She just fell. I caught her ass. Oh, she lucky. Hold on. Yup. Oh, she missed. Yeah. Too slippery to throw it. I gotta find one. I gotta find one. Oh fuck. She coming. She coming.
Stop running.
I ain't need to run from you. Oh, you lucky. Oh! I tried to, my dumb ass tried to catch the snowball. Oh! She just tried to take my head off, y'all. I got one more for her. I got one more. Finna hawk her down. Finna hawk her down. Trick move. Boom. Got her ass. Ron's gummies. So she gonna eat berries and I'm gonna eat fruit punch. They actually got all this shit on the back. I didn't even know. It's crazy.